Have you ever wondered how penning down your thoughts or sitting in silence can impact your life? There's a power in self-reflection that goes beyond the surface of our everyday lives. It's like stepping into a mirror that reflects not just our outward appearance, but the intricate labyrinth of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make us who we are. Now, imagine having a map to navigate this labyrinth, a tool that can help you understand yourself better, bring clarity to your thoughts, and guide you towards self-improvement. This is where journaling and meditation come into play. These aren't just hobbies or pastimes. They're powerful tools for self-discovery and introspection. Picture journaling as a conversation with yourself. It's a dialogue, a heart-to-heart where you're both the speaker and the listener. As you pen down your thoughts, you start to see patterns, understand your reactions, and gain insight into your behaviors. You begin to recognize your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and gradually you learn to navigate the stormy seas of your mind with more confidence and poise. On the other hand, meditation is like a quiet retreat within yourself. It's about finding a moment of stillness amidst the chaos, a space where you can just be. As you sit in silence, you start to tune in to your inner voice, the one that often gets drowned out in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. You learn to observe your thoughts without judgment, to accept your feelings without resistance. And in this process, you develop a deeper connection with yourself, a sense of inner peace that can guide you through life's ups and downs. Both journaling and meditation are not about changing who you are, but about understanding who you are. They're about peeling back the layers, revealing your true self, and embracing it with open arms. They're about taking control of your life, one thought, one feeling, one moment at a time. So, the first step towards changing your life could be as simple as grabbing a notebook or finding a quiet corner. Now let's unravel the magic of writing your thoughts down. Imagine having a tool that helps you declutter your mind, organize your thoughts, and brings clarity to your life. That's what journaling does. It's a personal space where your thoughts can roam free, and in the process, you get to know yourself better. But that's not all. Journaling is a silent observer that tracks your personal growth. You can look back at your entries and see how far you've come, the challenges you've overcome, and the progress you've made. Moreover, journaling is a stress buster. It's like having a conversation with your best friend, where you pour out your worries, fears, and frustrations, leaving you feeling lighter and less stressed. And when it comes to mental health, journaling is a powerful ally. By expressing your emotions, you're not just acknowledging them, but also understanding them better, leading to improved mental health. Journaling is not just about writing. It's about learning from your past, living in the present, and planning for your future. Now, let's shift our focus to the quiet art of meditation. This simple yet powerful practice has been celebrated for centuries for its myriad benefits. For starters, meditation is a proven stress reducer, helping to quiet the mind and calm the body. In this fast-paced world, it's a welcome sanctuary of serenity. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular meditation also helps in controlling anxiety, fostering a sense of peace and calm even in turbulent times. It promotes emotional health, allowing us to navigate our feelings with more grace and understanding. Meditation also enhances self-awareness. It's like holding up a mirror to our minds, helping us to understand ourselves better and make changes where necessary. Not to mention, it's a fantastic way to improve attention span, perfect for those of us who find our minds wandering during tasks. So, if you're seeking a more peaceful and balanced life, consider the art of meditation. Remember, meditation is not about becoming a different person. It's about training in awareness and getting a healthy sense of perspective. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner peace? To start this transformative journey, equip yourself with a journal and a pen. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just something you're comfortable using every day. Dedicate a quiet, cozy corner of your house for this purpose. This will be your sanctuary, a space where you can unplug, reflect, and express yourself. Now let's talk about how to journal. Don't fret over creating a masterpiece. This is your personal space. Write about your day, your dreams, your thoughts, your fears. The more you write, the better you'll get at expressing yourself. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation, just let your thoughts flow freely. This is about authenticity, not perfection. As you become more comfortable with journaling, you can start incorporating prompts. They can be simple questions like, What made me happy today? Or what's one thing I learned? These prompts can help you dig deeper and gain insights into your own thought process. Now, on to meditation. Start with just 2 minutes a day. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. If your mind wanders, which it inevitably will, gently bring it back to your breath. It's not about emptying your mind, but about becoming an observer of your thoughts without judgment. As you get more comfortable, gradually increase your meditation time. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to meditate. It's all about what works best for you. Pairing journaling with meditation can be incredibly powerful. After a meditation session, jot down any insights or thoughts that came up. This can help you understand your mind better and identify patterns in your thoughts. Make these practices a part of your daily routine. Consistency is key here. You're not going to see changes overnight, but stick with it. And over time, you'll start to notice a shift in your mindset, your mood, and your overall well-being. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and watch how journaling and meditation can change your life.